Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Well, I'm going to bring you another fix today, and what I did was went online, ordered new tires for my lawnmower here, and I find out that they don't fit right. So I figured out a way to get one to fit, and I put it on here, and I wanted to show you how I was able to alter this tire to get it to fit on here. Now first I'm going to remove the old tire, pop off this cap here, and there's a nut there. Oh, it's a 9/16 socket. Take that off. Now normally you would just take your wheel off and put on your new wheel. Well, it won't fit. Now here's where the problem is. I've got an outside caliper here, and I set it to the lip here on the old tire, and when I go to check the new tire, you can see right here there's about 1/4 of an inch bigger lip on this wheel, so it won't go inside the housing on the lawnmower. So then I got to worrying about the teeth in here, so I took an inside caliper and I went in and set it to the teeth on the old wheel, and I went and checked the teeth on the new wheel, and they're the same, so I'm good to go there. Now here's another look at how the wheel, the old wheel, fit inside this housing right here. See, the housing covers that little lip there that's the wheel, so when I bring the new one on here, runs on, just runs right into this housing. So what I'm going to do is take my hacksaw and I'm going to cut this lip off here. And just keep turning it. Take a few strokes. Keep going around. It only takes a couple minutes. There it is. Now, take the air hose and blow all those shavings out of there and put her on. Okay, I blew it all out with the air hose. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. There it is, the wheel is on. Turns just fine. 2 new wheels. So, if you run into problems, you can't let it stop you. You got to take it on through to the complete fix. And remember, you can't impress them with intelligence. Baffle with bullshit.